folks, welcome back to beautiful Peachland, North Carolina, down here at Firewater Farm Sawmill. Today we're cutting up some pine logs. I'm going to explain to you what we're doing to them. Customer wants some 8x8s, putting them on the front porch of a house, and then on the back he wants some 4x4s, and then he wants some 1x6s. So we got a little mix of stuff. Now, our experience with kiln drying, just say we cut this log into an 8" by 8" camp, put it in the kiln, it's going to shrink a little bit. He wants true 8 inches, so what we're doing in the video, we're gonna cut it to a 9 by 9, and we're gonna kiln dry it. And what that'll do, that'll allow for our shrinkage a little bit. And when we get it out of the kiln, we're gonna take it back up here and resaw it, and he'll have a nice smooth finish on it. And we've had good results doing that. So just to explain to you a little bit about what we're doing, we're not just sawing camps, we're after a beautiful post to go on this beautiful house this guy's building. So these pine logs look like they ain't the best, but actually they're pretty fresh. Pine logs sit on the ground for a month, bark falls right off of it, so they hold good wood in the inside. So that's what we're doing in this video today, and we're gonna kiln dry all this stuff together. So y'all hang on, enjoy the video. Have any questions or comments, y'all hit us up. It's starting to get hot out here. We're going into summertime, so everybody be cool.